Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. So today I'm going to be talking to you about some human hair wigs that I purchased off of Amazon on the store called QNQZ. It's 99J Burgundy color hair, 28 inches. I did buy a body wave, but I straightened it. It was pretty affordable actually. That's why I bought it. Because, well, you know how it is sometimes when you're gonna go buy human hair. I mean, it's a true investment, you know? And so that's one of the reasons why you come here to watch YouTube videos, because you wanna see, is the money you're gonna put in gonna be worth what you purchase? So I'm gonna let you know right now my thoughts and my opinions on this hair from Amazon, again, called QNQZ store, and it's the 99J. So first of all, I do want to say the color that's coming off on the monitor is a little bit darker than what the color actually is in person, especially when the light hits it. I actually did that, not that I did that on purpose, but I bought one like that on purpose because I had read the reviews and I wanted a color that was like a little bit more like brighter red, but not like too bright, you know? And there was human hair. So I wanted to try it out, and also I needed something more affordable. Like I said, you know, holidays we're just here. I mean, we're still in the midst of holidays. New Year's is like 2 days from now or whatever. So yeah, but this hair, I am so ready to take it off. I've had it since Christmas. I want to say I've had it for 4 days, 4 going on 5 days, something like that. And I'm just like really ready to take it off. Like, let me tell you about it, okay? So first of all, I'm gonna go with the cons, like ASAP. I'm gonna get that out the way. So the cons is, it is thin. It came already layered, so as you can see, it's like shorter here, and then it goes like to long and longer or whatever. So, I mean, that's cool because it already like frames your face. Not frames your face, but you know what I'm saying. Layer terms or whatever. But it already kind of like, you know, is giving you something to work with. Not just like one flat length. Especially when it's long, you don't want like just one length most of the time. You kind of go in and try to give it some kind of layers, right? So they already did that. I liked that. But then I started thinking, hold up. It's really thin at the ends though. Like, it's not that much hair at all, which I guess is natural, but it ends up looking scraggly. Like, this is all of the hair brought to the front. And throughout the day, it doesn't look like this. Like, throughout the day, it ends up like matting up and like coming together in like strings like this. So you just end up seeing like a bunch of strings like this. And I'm looking at myself so I could see what I'm doing. So you end up seeing like a bunch of strings like this just like hanging out. And I personally don't like that look. And I've had better quality human hair where it doesn't do that. You know, you can wear it all day, but also too, you have more hair. And this one was, they said it was 180 density, 13 by 4. I don't truly think it's 180 density wig at all. You know, I didn't like style it all the way or whatever for this video. I didn't show the installs. Like I said, I've had it on a few days, but I'm really ready to take it off because I just don't think it's a good looking wig, to be honest. I wouldn't recommend this wig. You know, maybe if you just want like a cheap wig to kind of get this red color out of your system and you want it to be human hair and you want it long, kind of like get used to working with wigs, then yeah, go ahead and go for these. But if you're a pro or you want some really good quality hair, you want something that like looks and stays natural, you could sleep in, wake up, feel like you really have like, you know, human hair, like it's your own hair that you're wearing, and you just want to be with it like daily and feel beautiful, then this is not it, honestly. I mean, I'm so sorry, like if this store is watching this video, but I gotta be real with you. It's just not it. I had it in a side part for the longest, and I don't know, it just fell funny too. Like, it just falls funny, I don't know. It sheds a lot, so I'm gonna brush it and you're gonna see that it's gonna shed. It sheds even more than some of my synthetic wigs, honestly. This wig literally made me miss synthetic wigs. It doesn't tangle though. that much, so that's really good. It's not a tangly one. All right, so I mean, I know you can't really see, but let me see. You see that reddish hair in there? I was just right now brushing. Every time that I brush, it always sheds. This is just like, damn, yo. More. I know you can't see that. There you go. All right, just so you know I'm not lying. So I kept it real with you. It does hold a curl. It does go straight. You know, so that's good. So, okay, let me say some good things about it. It is true to length. It is true to length. It is 28 inches, so I did like that. The color, beautiful. Like I said, it is a little brighter than what it's coming off here. Like, it's more reddish than what it's coming off here. I wish I could get it to be the right color. Let me see the other modes. I don't know. But anyways, let me show it to you towards the back. Let me see. So anyway, those are what I think about this hair. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you found this beneficial. You know, if you're on Amazon and you see that it's sorting, now you'll be able to see someone that tried out the hair, because I couldn't find anyone that tried it out. So here you go. Anyways, I hope that you have a wonderful day and much love. Bye.